Most commercial leases fall into two main categories: net leases and gross leases. A gross lease has all the operating expenses included in the rent, while net leases separate the base rent figure from the other operating expenses. The most common type of net lease is a triple net or NNN lease. The most common gross lease is a full-service gross lease. A triple net lease is a type of lease in commercial real estate where the tenant pays two monthly figures, a base rent figure as well as the triple net figure, which are the shared operating expenses in the building. These expenses typically include property taxes, insurance, CAM or common area maintenance. Triple net leases are the most common lease type on the market. And what is all included in the nets can differ from building to building, so be sure to have an accurate understanding of what is included and excluded in the base rent and triple net costs. It is important to know what a triple net lease is and how it is structured, because if you are considering renting a space and see a price per square foot on the sign or the flyer, but you are unaware if the triple net expenses are included, you may be inadvertently thinking you can afford the space when in actuality, it is outside of your budget. To summarize, a triple net lease includes the base rent plus the three nets, which are property taxes, insurance, and common area maintenance. Before you sign, make sure you fully understand if your lease is a triple net or a full-service gross lease.